Merry Christmas everybody and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a quick way on how to make bacon wrap sausages. These are really tasty and so easy to make. I also find that these are a really good side to have on a roast dinner, or if you have a party or a gathering, they're perfect for finger food.
Let's start this off by preheating our oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit on fan forced. Here I have 7 rashers of streaky bacon and I'm just going to cut these in half so we have 14 pieces. For this recipe, I'm using 14 beef chipolata sausages, but you can use any type of sausages that you'd like. I'm going to place the chipolata onto one end of the bacon and roll it up, overlapping the bacon at the bottom. And to hold it intact, just poke the toothpick all the way through. Just like that. Once they are all wrapped, here I have 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and I'm just going to sprinkle about 3/4 of a tablespoon on each of them. Then place these in our preheated oven and bake these for 20 to 25 minutes until the bacon is nice and golden. After 25 minutes, the sausages are cooked through and the bacon is nice and golden. Then we can remove each toothpick and just discard of them. These have some awesome colour to them and they smell really good. I find these go perfect with vegetables, Yorkshire puddings and crispy roast potatoes, which I'll leave my video links in the description below for those awesome recipes.
These are perfect for a snack or a side for a roast dinner for Christmas Day, or if you have a large party or gathering, they're perfect for finger food. And these taste so good. You've got the saltiness from the bacon and the sweetness from the sugar, and those two go hand in hand. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button down below, as it really helps my videos and my channel grow. And if you'd like to see more, just hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification next to it so you never miss when I upload. And this week, leading up to Christmas, all of my recipes will be Christmas inspired, so stay tuned for that. Merry Christmas everybody, thanks again for watching, bye for now.